Hello everyone, welcome. So today we will see what is a machine learning model. What exactly is a machine learning model? Is it a data store? Is it some cloud system? Or is it some complex program which is performing the task? Before we look into what exactly is a machine learning model, let's first understand what is machine learning. Machine learning is the process of training a computer to perform some task. And this training happens by using some data, right? We pass this data, we train or make our model learn, and then we get a trained model as output. Once our model is trained, we can then use this model for prediction. So we will give it some input and it will give us some output, right? You can, if you want to correlate, you can correlate it with LLM, that when you ask some query, that is your input and it gives you some response, that is the output. Machine learning is different from the traditional way of programming computers or making computers work. In the traditional program, you will write code if you want to add two numbers. You will write something like return x1 plus x2. In the machine learning way, you will not write explicit code, but you will make the model learn by looking at the data, right? So this is very fundamental difference between traditional programming and machine learning based systems. Let's see the same thing happening in a demo, and then hopefully it will help you clear your doubts around what exactly is a machine learning model. So this demo is a very simple demo where we will add two numbers, right? So I will quickly go through the code. I will not go deep into the code, just the basics so that you are able to understand what we are doing. So in the first part of the program, we are importing some libraries, and then we are fetching a CSV file which has some data for the addition, right? So let me do that. Right. So if you see, it has some data where say there are three numbers 10, 20, addition of 2 is 30, 4, 9, addition of 2 is 13, right? I will now extract relevant data out of this table. In this step, I am making the model learn, and then let me print the weights. We will not cover what is a weight. We will have a separate video where we will discuss weights and other internals of a model. But till now our model is trained, right? Now let's see if I can use this model to add two numbers, right? So if I now run this, we can see that it has added two numbers and it has returned 8,000. Now quickly I will give you one more uh, thing. I will remove the addition file and I will use the subtraction file, right? It has, let's see what this file contains, right? So it has the same data, but now the third column is the subtraction of the first two column, right? So like 14 minus 9 is 5, right? So now I will do the same process of extracting data out of this table, making my model learn, and then printing the weights. We will see that the weight have changed, right? Earlier it was 1 1, now it is 1 minus 1. Again, we will not cover it now. Now let's see if, see, so if we subtract 2000 from 6000, the result is 4000. So what we have seen just now is that we have not actually coded x1 minus x2 or x1 plus x2, but our model was able to perform both the operation just by the learning which we did, right? So this fundamentally changes the way we use computers, right? Till now humans were coding to make computer perform tasks, but now if the computers can learn from data, this can make the power of computers limitless, right? So in this video we have covered the basics of a machine learning model. In the next video I will try to cover the internals of a model, types of models, and a few core concepts like gradient descent, weights, cost function, etc. I hope you like this video and it will help you in starting up with your ML and AI journey. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.